This sweet chili chicken is made with minimal ingredients, but big on flavor. It has tender chicken breasts coated in a sticky, sweet, and slightly spicy sauce. And trust me, you guys, you are going to love this one. So I do have another sweet chili chicken recipe that I made a while back where I cut the chicken into small pieces and I made the sauce completely from scratch. But I wanted to try a different version using chicken cutlets and store-bought sweet chili sauce. And when I tested out the recipe, it came out so delicious. My husband loved it and he could not get enough of it. And what I love about this recipe is it's only made with 4 ingredients: some chicken breast, some cornstarch, some store-bought sweet chili chicken, some store-bought sweet chili sauce, and some soy sauce. So it's super duper easy. And to get started, I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that I cut in half horizontally and I pounded evenly to form cutlets. And that will just ensure that the chicken will cook up nice and evenly and a lot quicker. So I'm going to dredge each piece of chicken into 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And what the cornstarch is going to do is it's going to give it a nice crispy coating, and the sauce is just gonna cling to it. So yes, not only is it going to give it some nice texture, but it's going to help the sauce adhere to the chicken. All right, so now that we have all the chicken completely coated, we'll get working on the sauce. This sauce really has the perfect balance between sweet, savory, tangy, garlicky, spicy, all the good things. I just absolutely love this sauce. And this sauce combined with a chicken over some rice, it is absolute perfection. Okay, to get started, I have the sweet chili, I keep saying sweet chili chicken sauce, sweet chili sauce. So this is the one that you would commonly find in the Asian section of your grocery store. So I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup into the bowl here. So that's 1/2 cup and 1/4 of a cup. All right, and then to that, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. In goes 1, and last one. Then I'm going to mix until it's well combined. And that's all the prep work there is to it. This is such a super easy recipe. Okay, we are ready to get cooking. Let's head over to the stove. So I've got my pan heated over medium-high heat. Time to add in the chicken. And because we have pounded our chicken nice and thin, they will not take long to cook at all, probably 3 to 4 minutes per side. Okay, chicken is looking good. Time to flip them over. And we'll continue to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so the chicken is through cooking. I'm going to remove, set them aside, and then I'll wipe my pan clean, and then we'll get going on combining it with the sauce. Now that my pan is clean, I'm going to add in the delicious sauce. We'll go ahead and add in our chicken pieces. And we'll go ahead and flip the chicken pieces over so that everything is well coated with the sauce. And look at that, nice, sticky, sweet, savory, spicy, garlicky sauce. Seriously, this is a flavor-packed dish. Time to cut the heat. And you know what, just for the thumbnail photo, I'm gonna add a little bit of red pepper flakes just to make it pretty. But no need to do this, I'm just doing this for the photo. And just because I have some chopped green onions. All right, we are ready for the taste test. And there you guys have it, sweet chili chicken. All right, you guys, it is that time. It's time for the taste test. And I have some rice going in the rice cooker. It's not quite done, but let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh my goodness, the sauce is just so thick and sticky. You know this is going to be good. Cheers, you guys. It's a big bite. Okay, what did I promise you guys? A dish with minimal ingredients, but big on flavor. And boy, did I deliver. It is so good. The chicken is nice and tender, and that sauce, it is just, I can't even describe how good it is. Just make it. You guys are going to love it, I promise. Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys make this recipe. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That will definitely help me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.